So you want to get paid to play Dota 2. Now you're probably thinking, I don't have a massive following on Twitch or Mixer. How do I get a sponsor? Don't I need to join tournaments? Don't I need to join some type of pro league? I'm here to tell you that you don't need any of that. There's a little secret to making money online that a lot of people are using right now that you're missing out on. You don't need a huge following, you don't need to get a sponsorship, and you can still make money playing your favorite game, Dota 2. I'm gonna unveil that secret right here in this video. So who am I? I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So if you're infamous too, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, when most people think of success as a gamer, they usually think of somebody like Ninja. They usually think of somebody who has a massive following, tons of views, all this fame and fortune, and they usually associate that with success. They think that that's what you need to do in order to make a living playing video games. The truth is that is not the case. There is plenty of small gamers with small followings who make money by playing video games, specifically playing Dota 2. But the thing that people don't understand is that if you're gonna make a living playing video games, then you're gonna have to wear a marketer's hat. You can't just be a gamer. You have to become a marketer. You have to learn how to sell yourself. And more importantly, you have to learn how to sell products. So the method that I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna show you a gamer with a small following that's doing affiliate marketing and making money doing it. So here's an example of a friend of mine, Pink Barbie. She's a gamer on Mixer. Now, as you can see, here's her bio. You can see about Pink Barbie, and you see all this information about her. But specifically right here is a link to a store where she's selling the chair that she's sitting in when she's playing the games. So the method that she's using to make money online is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about it, there's a link in the description below that'll take you to a free class. So in affiliate marketing, the first thing you would do is obviously be playing the game. You'd be playing Dota 2. And people would watch you streaming it, or they'd watch a recording of it on YouTube, or wherever you have the game, and people are viewing it. So just like our example with Pink Barbie, you would have a profile that has a link to the product that you're promoting. But the best thing to do here is to give away something for free and ask people for their email address. So you could say, like, check out the link in the description below and I'm giving you a free ebook on how to get better at Dota 2. Or you could watch some of my free video training, or whatever it is you can put in here that's free, and you're giving it away in exchange for somebody's email address. Then finally, once you get their email address and you send them the free thing that you offered, you're going to send them over to what's called a bridge page. Now on this bridge page, preferably you want to have a video right here where you're talking about a product or service that helped you get better at something, that helped you improve, that you recommend, whatever it may be. And then you would have a button underneath this video that would lead to the product. Now my spelling is not great, but you get the idea. Once they press this button, it's going to lead them over to the product, wherever it is that you're selling the product, either through Amazon or some other partner company that you're working with. And when they buy this product, you're going to get a piece of the commission. So these are the steps that you need to follow. This step right here is the game changer. This is what a lot of people don't do, is they don't do this free giveaway. They don't do the exchange of the email address. This is how you build up your business and your fan base, because now that you have their email address, you can keep on sending them emails. You can send them invites to some of your special events, special offers that you may have in the future, discounts. There's a million things you can do once you have their email address, and you can make sales forever and ever and ever. This process up here is called a sales funnel. This part only happens once, but the best thing you can do is get this freebie and get the email address, so that way you can keep communicating with your list. You can keep on sending special offers. You can keep on inviting them to different events that you may have. This is how you build up your gaming business. This is how you build up your fan base in Dota 2. This process right here is your entire business. So if you have this set up and automated, there's no limit to how much money you can make. You can have a small following, just like I showed you with Pink Barbie, and still make plenty of money and make a living just gaming. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you click that link in the description below. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you click that link in the description below. So essentially, it would go a little something like this. I'd be playing Dota 2, and I'd be over here talking crazy. I'd be like, hey, look how I'm smashing all these noobs over here in Dota 2. I'm killing everybody. And if you want to learn how to smash these noobs the way I do, you want to click the link in the description below, because I'm the infamous Joel and I'm unstoppable. And look at, oh my goodness, there's just nothing stopping me. Look, I just walk up and I just destroy everybody. If you want to get more training and learn how to be like me, how to destroy everybody in your path, then click on the link in the description below. And also, I got this free ebook that I wrote just for you. I wrote this free ebook just for you, and it lays out my step-by-step strategy on how to destroy everybody in Dota 2. And if you don't get that ebook, you're just going to be terrible. And I'm sorry. You're just going to be a terrible, terrible Dota 2 player. And I'll probably see you on here and I'll just, run right through you too. So you'll be next on the hit list. And why am I telling you all this? Because this basically increases my likability. It increases my brand, right? People will tune into the channel more and more because they know that they're getting free stuff from me, that they're not only watching me play, but they're actually learning how to improve in the game. They're actually learning what tools of the trade that they could get that could improve their gameplay experience. Even if I'm just promoting a chair, I can say, man, this chair is comfortable over here, boy. Oh my goodness, you got to get this chair. It got all kinds of massaging knobs and twists and turns and all kinds of stuff. It got adjustable bucket seat handles, space technology and all this other stuff. But you won't get the special deal in this chair unless you click on the link in the description below. And why would you give me your email? Why would you go in the link in the description below and give me your email address? Probably because I have weekly contest where you could play me one-on-one, and if you win, I got more free giveaways to give to you. I got more free this and more free that. I'll even send you a free hat. I'll send you a free Infamous Joel hat that's sponsored by some print-on-demand company that I could get it from, and it cost me like $3, but it'll build up my email list and it'll build up my fan base, so it's worth it in the end. And I'm thinking about this like a business now. I'm not just sitting here playing games and hoping that people will come follow me. I actually think about this as a business. You got to be a businessman, not a businessman, but a business man. You can't just be a gamer no more. You got to be the marketer. You got to be a businessman. And this is how I would do it. I'd call everybody noobs and I'd show everybody, oh my goodness, I don't even know how I pulled that move off. I think that was my son at this part who was playing this part right here. I have no idea how to play some of these parts. But somebody like alternate me, who I'm being right now, who's going to teach you how to play the game, and you're going to learn all these wonderful things from them and get all this free stuff from them, then you're probably more likely to pull out your credit card and buy stuff from that person because you trust their recommendations. You trust that they're not going to lead you in the wrong direction because they've been giving you so much free stuff, the free ill stuff, the free trainings and the free books and the free hats and all this other free contests and all this other stuff. You like this person. That's why you're following them. That's why you're taking all their recommendations. That's why you signed up to their email list and you show up to all their special events. And mind you, this person doesn't have a huge list. This person has like 100 followers, but these 100 followers all spend $10 each on average. They all spend $10 each on average every month. Okay, so this person's making $1,000 a month to sit here and play video games and talk crazy like this. Okay, they're just talking and talking and talking and making no sense. I had no idea how to buy stuff from this store. Can somebody reach out to me in the comment section and tell me how to buy stuff from this store? Because I was very confused. There was way too many options. I had no idea what to buy and how to buy it. I was like, oh my god. So anyway, alternate me knows how to buy stuff because alternate me knows how to do everything in this game. So again, through affiliate marketing, I'd be making that much money off a very small audience because I know how to bring them up the ladder. It's called an engagement ladder, right? An engagement ladder, meaning that I consistently give them free stuff. I consistently show my face and show that I'm a brand that they could like, that they could trust, that they really are into. And the funny thing is, organically, that's going to grow your crowd anyway. Forget about just the gaming part and getting followers, but it's going to grow your crowd anyway because word is going to spread that, hey, if you follow this person, you get a bunch of free stuff. I got this free training. I got a free cheat sheet. I got all this free underground stuff that nobody knows about that they dug up for me. And you can just Google, okay? You can just Google information about Dota 2, compile the information that you find, and turn it into a free report, turn it into a PDF, turn it into a bunch of bullet points to give away for free. Once again, more free stuff on your channel. Everyone's gonna flock to your channel because of the free stuff that they're getting. Everyone's gonna sign up to your email list because of all the benefits that they get. Everyone's gonna start to see your face and know, like, and trust you because you're consistently showing up in their inbox. And when you come out and you do make a sales pitch and you're like, hey, these headphones right here are the best headphones that I could find on the market. I use them all the time, and this gives me an advantage in Dota 2 because I could hear everything that's going on around me for miles away. And then they're gonna be like, you know what, I trust them because this person has not led me astray yet. Everything that I've gotten from this person for free has been highly valuable. So imagine if I actually pull out my credit card and pay for something, it's also going to be highly valuable. Okay, so all you would need to do is go over to Amazon. Now, this is the best beginner strategy. If you don't have any results or anything, go over to Amazon and apply to be an affiliate for Amazon. It's as simple as pressing the button all the way at the bottom of the site that says become an affiliate. Okay, you do that, you fill out their application. There's usually a phone call process or something, and you let them know, hey, I have a gaming channel and I want to promote some gaming gear, some headphones, some chairs, some mouse, keyboard, whatever it may be. Maybe you're not playing on PC, maybe you're on PS4 or Xbox One, then you go ahead and you promote that stuff. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you're gonna sit there and you're gonna pretty much just be yourself. Okay, you're gonna be yourself, but you're always gonna be working on how can I support my fans? How can I give them more free stuff? How can I get them through my links and what's called that sales funnel, right? What we talked about earlier. You get them through that sales funnel, and slowly but surely you're bringing them up that engagement ladder. They start to see you as an expert. They start to see you as somebody who they look up to, who they look to for information, or they look to for guidance, or they look to for entertainment. They look to for all kinds of stuff, right? And they come to your channel more and more. They bring their friends, they bring their family, they bring their uncle, they bring their aunt, and they start seeing you more and more often. And they're like, hey, look at this guy, man. Every time I come to this guy's channel, he's got some new free giveaway stuff. I got these cheat sheets from him. He even gave me a secret free video training. Like, you can send them a link. So a secret free video training for Dota 2, for Fortnite, for League of Legends, for Apex Legends. Doesn't matter what you're playing. And you send them this free video training where you're showing all the ways that you get the advantage on the opponent. So like, look, this is my secret hiding spot right here. This really works. And all this stuff that you're sharing with them is like, hey, this guy is awesome. I love this, right? Now, this helps to serve two things. One, again, it brings people up that engagement ladder. It makes people really like you and start to trust you more and more. And two, it gets people to not only warm up to you, but tell people about you and get more people into your list. This is how you build up a following very quickly. Because everywhere that you look on YouTube that's talking about how to build up a following, they are always talking about all these cheap little tricks to try to get your following up, to try to pretty much trick people into becoming your followers. This is the best organic way to do it. It's kind of like word of mouth. It's guerrilla marketing. But the more free stuff you're giving away in your funnels, not only the more money you're making, but the more people are coming through and saying, man, I love this guy's channel because he gives so much free stuff. That's what's going to separate you from everybody else. Everyone else is coming from a begging and kind of beta stance. Like, they're like, please follow me, and watch me play. Who cares? No one cares about you. Honestly, in this entire world, just walk down the street and you'll see everyone's heads are buried into their cell phone. No one cares about you. No one cares about you online. No one cares about you offline. They care about themselves. Okay, so the more that you can actually supply information or free stuff or freebie giveaways and all kinds of contests and things, the more that you can supply other people and make them feel like they're being appreciated and rewarded, the more they're going to care, because they really care about themselves, right? So they're going to be like, this is great. I benefit so much from watching the infamous Joel's gaming channel. He's awesome. So I'm going to go tell all my friends to go over here and follow too, because this is the most awesome channel there is, right? So you got to think of it from the standpoint of serving your audience. How can I serve them? How can I make their experience better? And not only will they sign up for your email list, will they go through your funnels, but you'll make money from them because they'll start buying stuff from you too. Alright, so that's all I got to say about that. I also have a video here where I give more detail about what affiliate marketing is and how people use it every single day. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.